The Battlegrounds Mobile India Series is back. And this year, it's not just another tournament, it's a statement itself. So welcome back to Esports Frequency. I'm Pranav and you are watching 94.3 Radio 1. And today we're going to talk about the most anticipated tournament, BGMS Season 4.
This is the Esports Frequency with your MVP Pranav.
The BGMS Season 4 kicks off from August 18th, runs until September 14th, bringing together India's top BGMI squads in one event, and it will be a high-octane, action-packed event streaming on live television and streaming platforms. Organized by Nordwind Gaming in partnership with Star Sports, BGMS has been one of the most prestigious tournaments in Indian esports. And this season feels different. It is more personal to fans. Why? Because it's filling a gap left by what could have been the first ever BGMI franchise league in India. Krafton had big, bold plans. The BGMI Champions League, a franchise-based tournament of having 5 crore of prize pool and 4 game days per week, and concluding with the LAN grand finale, which had the potential to put BGMI at par to some of the esports league in the world. Well, the buzz was electric. From top teams to celebrities like Yuzi Chahal, everyone was ready to be part of this new chapter. But in a twist that stunned the esports community in India, Krafton had to cancel this tournament. And the reason being, falling short of franchise bidders. And this isn't about just replacing the cancelled event. It's about proving that the Indian BGMI scene has the resilience to keep moving forward. And even when the big plan hits the wall. From what was meant to be a historic leap into a franchise era, we now have a familiar giant stepping up in terms of this BGMS Season 4, which will show fans the drama, the highlights, and maybe even the big stars, which might have missed if the Champions League was there. So mark your calendars from August 18th to September 14th, because the stakes are high, the battleground is set, and BGMS Season 4 is here. So drop your thoughts in the comments below, like, share, subscribe this video so we keep bringing you some esports and gaming news. Until then, keep grinding, keep supporting, and keep gaming.
94.3
One world, your station.
Radio 1.